When elaborating your story, it is important to include what your characters are feeling inside their hearts and what they are thinking inside their heads. So my own story is about a nice sunny day where I take my dog for a walk, and then she runs away and almost gets hit by a car, but finally she is caught. So during these moments, I have to think, what am I feeling and what am I thinking? So I'm going to write these down on my Post-it. My feelings are that I'm angry with myself because I let her run away. I'm sad because I don't know what's going to happen. I'm scared because she may get hit by a car. And I'm worried. And then I'm thinking, how did this happen? And what if we can't catch her? And what if she gets hit by a car? And then I'm thinking, I need to catch her. So now I'm going to go to my writing. And in my writing, it says, it was a beautiful day outside, and Alex and I just finished taking Riley for a walk. We reached the front steps of the house, and I opened the door to let her in. I let go of the leash a few seconds too early, and she ran the opposite way. So I have to say, what am I feeling? What am I thinking? How can I add this to my writing? Because right now, my thoughts and my feelings aren't shown. So I can put a star right after this sentence because I know I can add in what I was feeling then. And I was feeling that I was so happy and I was laughing and joking. And then I can add in more thoughts and feelings at the end after I let go of the leash and she ran the opposite way because my heart sank. So now I'm going to add it to my writing. So in the blue, after that sentence, I wrote, I was laughing at jokes that Alex was telling and I never felt happier. So those are my feelings. And then I thought to myself, how lucky am I? And then again, after the last sentence, I added in my thoughts and my feelings. And I wrote, my heart dropped. How did I let this happen? How could I be so careless? I was laughing 1 second ago without a care in the world. She's just a puppy, I thought to myself. I could not think straight. I just knew that I had to run after her. And then when I look at both of these compared, when I added more thoughts and feelings, it really lets the reader know more about what's going on in my story and what I'm feeling and what I'm thinking, and it makes it a better story. So now you can add your own thoughts and feelings into your personal narrative story.